So, hi everyone. You can see this is the experimental setup of study of dielectric constant where we can measure the Curie temperature of a given ferroelectric material, that is barium titanate. So we have used sample as barium titanate. We can see here this is a 2 probe. Here we have to keep the sample, that is barium titanate, between two capacitors. So these two acts as a capacitor which are connected across the setup using these two wires. So we can note down the capacitance here. Okay, so I will keep it inside this oven. These are used to adjust the sample. Can just stretch them. So this is how we can keep the sample inside the oven. And this is the wire which is connected to the oven from this setup. Then this is the knob used to adjust the temperature. This is the resistance thermometer detector wire which is also connected to the oven. And this is on off button for oven. So first what we should do, we will switch on the main switch. Okay, and this is the temperature we can adjust. So it is at room temperature right now. So what we have to do, we have to switch on the oven. So we have switched on. So we have kept the ferroelectric material, that is barium titanate sample, between the two capacitors. So this is the connection that we made to the oven. This will show the capacitance value of a dielectric material that we kept between two capacitors. So we have to note down the capacitance value with respect to temperature. Okay, every 5 minutes we can note down the reading. Then we have to do some calculation. So using this capacitance we can find out the dielectric constant. Then we can plot the graph of that versus temperature. We will get the Curie temperature of a given sample, that is ferroelectric material barium titanate. Otherwise we can also use PZT as a ferroelectric material. So here we have used in this experiment barium titanate as a sample. So this is how you can note down the readings. Temperature and capacitance you have to note down. After that you have to find out dielectric constant. Then you can plot the graph. You will get the Curie temperature.